Hello friends, in this lecture we will explore HTML images. Now how you can use HTML images. There is an inbuilt HTML tag and that is image tag. It starts with image tag and then it has an attribute source where it accepts URL. So already we have an image that is ball.jpg inside our images folder. So what you need to do, you need to provide the URL as images slash ball.jpg. Now let's save it. There is no ending tag of this image. You need to just provide a forward slash at the end, just before the greater than sign. And another thing is that you need to provide the alt tag where you need to add a title of this image. This will not be visible, but this is visible to search engines. So let's write here, say a ball image or say an image of a ball. So let's save it. Now what is this alt used for? Say for example, you are loading this page and you are having a slow connection. So instead of showing you the broken image, it will show you this text, a ball image. And it is also helpful if you have this alt attribute for all of your images in your website. It helps in your SEO ranking. Well, so HTML images. So let's open with Firefox and let's take a look. Oops, it's really a big ball. It's a huge ball. So let's do one thing. You can even control the size of your image by using the width and the height attribute. Let's provide a width of say 200 pixel. Save it. Now refresh. See, now it's a 200 pixel ball. Now let me show you another thing. Let's open lipsum.com. Here it is. Now let's generate 5 paragraphs. Now let's copy 2 paragraphs. Let's copy it and paste it inside p tag and refresh. See what happens. This is an image. This is an inline element. And this is p. This is a block element. So let's save it and let's make it inline. How? Let's add a style, provide display, make it inline. Now it's an inline element. This p is now an inline element. But this ball is at the first. What we want is image. After that, here will be some text and this text will wrap around the ball. So what we can do is that we can add a style here, that is style float. Let's float it left. Save it. See, now here is the ball and the text is around the ball. Now remember one thing, when you are defining anything as float, after that provide a div and always clear the float. How? Just like this. Provide a style, clear, left. That's it. Now there is another thing. Let's make it float right. Save it. Now this ball is at the right. It's really cool, isn't it? Okay. Now remember one thing, when you are changing here, when you are modifying this float here, also change this one to right. And if you have floats defined in both the direction, say for example in header specially you have logo which floats left and navigation which floats right, then in the next div you need to mention clear both, so the float will be cleared in both the direction. So that's it. I hope you have find this lecture useful and also interesting. And another thing is that there are few types of images. One is JPEG, second PNG, which are transparent images, especially logo images are transparent images, and the next one is the animated image. Let me show you one animated image. Just copy this one, paste it here, and inside source let's change it to light underscore dispersion underscore conceptual dot gif. This gif images are animated images. See the image here. Well, let me remove this width attribute and also this style attribute. Let's save it, hit refresh, and here it is. See, this is animated image where it is showing the concept of light dispersion effect. That's it. Here in this lecture we have seen how we can use images in HTML. So that's it friends. Here I conclude this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.